What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Pierre out here, enjoying the retired life. One thing I've learned since slowing life down is it's the simple everyday moments that really matter. Every week turns into an adventure, even when you're just handling regular life stuff. Even though I'm not in Puerto Rico right now, in just a couple weeks, I'll be heading back to the island. And honestly, getting ready to return has me thinking about everything I love about this lifestyle. This week alone, I've been exercising in the mornings, grilling food, making fried red snapper, Puerto Rican style, and even some chicharrónes, swimming in the pool, getting the boat ready for the water, cleaning up a hydraulic mess made in front of my house, and still making time for Spanish class. So today, I'm bringing y'all along for a real week of retired life before heading back to Puerto Rico. Every morning, I try to start the day with some movement, whether it's exercising, walking right around the neighborhood, or just getting outside early before the heat kicks in, and it sets the tone for the whole day. And honestly, exercising out here just feels different. With the views and all this fresh air, it's a win. One thing about me, I'm gonna eat good. I'm a bona fide foodie. This week, I fired up the grill and made some fried red snapper, Puerto Rico style. And let me tell you, fresh fish hits a little bit different. The smells coming off the grill, the seasoning, the fresh air. Moments like this remind me of why I love this lifestyle. And then came the 13-hour smoked pork. And of course, we had to make some Puerto Rican style chicharrónes. Now this right here is an island comfort food. Crispy, flavorful, and guaranteed to have everybody standing around the kitchen waiting for a plate. You can't make these and expect people not to show up. After all that cooking and running around, sometimes you just gotta slow down and you gotta enjoy the moment. That's one thing retirement life has taught me. Stop rushing all the time. Even a simple afternoon in the pool can feel like a blessing. This week, I also started getting the boat ready to hit the water. And if you own a boat, you already know. Half of the work is getting everything prepared before you even leave the dock. But being out on the water is definitely worth it. These are the barnacles that's on this strap from the cover. These are live crustaceans. Look, you see that? Oh, these are living creatures. If it wasn't so windy, you could hear them breathing. And they're on this strap that was holding the cover for the boat. This cover right here. And the cover was actually inside of the water right there for a while, just hanging, strapped down, but hanging in the water. Now, every week isn't all beaches and food. Sometimes real life happens too. This week, the local garbage truck busted a hydraulic line right in front of my driveway, and it left oil all over the road. So I had to spend part of my day cleaning everything up. Yep, I had to clean up behind them, even though they made a gallant attempt to clean up, but it wasn't to my standard. As I was standing outside, I noticed that this thing was spraying fluid everywhere. And there it is, broken down. You can see the trail of fluid all up and down the street. And I stopped my man because he didn't even know it. And so he cut it off. He got out his kitty litter, his dry sweep, and his oil absorbent, rags and stuff. And he actually, prevented the spill from getting into the drainage and everything. But yeah, so that's how we started off today. There it is, sitting over there. I hear the new truck, or either the wrecker, coming around the corner. Not exactly vacation content, but this is real everyday life out here. Retirement still comes with work sometimes. And somewhere in the middle of all of this, I still made it to Spanish class. So that was a real week of retired life before heading back to Puerto Rico. Life may look different when I'm off the island, but the lifestyle, the mindset, and the love for Puerto Rico, it never really leaves. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, because in a couple weeks, we'll officially be back in Puerto Rico with more island adventures, food, culture, and real everyday experiences. So trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. I'm Pierre from the Howard's Adventures. Deuces.